Alright, I don't know if you noticed, it's kind of a mess because we're still moving and I'm still at the old house and I'm trying to make things work. So these are frozen vegetables that I get from Members Mark. This was a full bag of a blend of broccoli, green beans, carrots, yellow peppers, wax beans, and red peppers. It looks like this. I defrosted it in the fridge. So what we're going to do is a product review on this is Amy's Light Sodium Organic Soups. And this is lentil soup.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now this is vegan. Ingredients vegan. So this filtered water, organic lentils, organic celery, organic carrots, organic onions, organic potatoes, organic extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and bay leaves. Now what's important to notice is that it's USDA and the can has a non-BPA lining. BPA has been known to cause problems in children. And this says there it has no GMOs. That's really important. A lot of people are mentioning that I haven't mentioned this in a lot of the products. So no GMOs. Also it says it's gluten-free, if you can see that. It says no GMOs, no genetically engineered ingredients, no preservatives. Alright, so there's never enough vegetables for me in soups, especially canned soups. Now if it's my own soup, I know what's in it. So we're going to open this up. Oh, let's talk about calories real quick. This is a can for two, so we're going to save after this, and we're going to save after this, and they'll make another meal for me. So this can has got 180 calories, 45 from fat, 5 grams of fat, 1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 200 milligrams of sodium, total carbohydrates is 25, dietary fiber 6, 3 sugars, and 8 proteins, which is something I'm always looking for. Yeah, well, this doesn't say much. This tells you how to cook it. These are basically vegetables. Okay, so we're going to open this can. And you see, can't see very many vegetables in there. We're just going to pour it over the top. And what I like to do is I don't mind my soups to be a little bit liquidy. I'm going to put some water in here. So we're just going to grab the sides over here. And we're going to pour it over the top. Then what we're going to just do is we're going to stir the soup into the vegetables, and I'm going to microwave this in the microwave right over here. And I think what I'm going to do, let's see what the directions on here are. Always good to follow directions, right? Microwave, place soup in microwave safe bowl, cover, cook for 2 minutes. That's easy. 2 minutes. Okay. And place soup in a stove top, warm until you need it. I guess you gotta stick your finger and figure it out. And it says all kinds of other interesting facts on the can. Alright, so let's see how it turns out. It hasn't been 2 minutes, but I want to put another ingredient in here to give me more protein, and this is extra firm tofu, and we're going to cut the cube in its container, and just pick it up, and you can use your hand, it's for you. But if this was your family, you would have to drain the liquid, and then you could cut it on a board. Let me show you an example of that. You could cut it on a board like this, right here. This is a bamboo board. I had these plastic boards over the last year, and I decided what I would do is that I would invest a little bit on getting some better boards. Now, we're going to mix this in with the soup so that it imparts the flavor of the lentil soup. And we're going to put this away. So next we're going to do is just take the spoon, mix it all in, and if you do that, then your tofu will have the taste and the texture, the taste of the soup, instead of just having its own taste. You mix it all in with the vegetables. You can see this is a hearty soup. Now remember, this is for 2 people. Linda's eating with me tonight, so we're going to be able to share some of this meal with her. But first we're going to microwave it. Okay, so we'll see in a few minutes. Alright, so this is the soup. It's warmed up in the microwave. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this soup ladle, and we're going to fill up my bowl. And I already asked Linda if she was going to have some soup, and she's going to pass tonight. Okay, so this is plenty of soup, and we're going to see if I can put some of those vegetables in. Yeah, cheat here. Now, since she's not eating a soup, I'm not going to make her a bowl, but what I am going to do is put this in this container right here, and it'll be ready for tomorrow. Alright, so you got an idea to see how this Amy's organic lentil soup turned out with fresh flash frozen vegetables. So this is my easy vegan meal for the night. Thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Okay, what are we looking at? We're looking at an empty bowl, and we're looking at the leftovers from the soup and the fresh vegetables. Now there's a lesson to be learned here. If the soup doesn't really taste good, then the meal isn't going to really taste good. So this was a product review on Amy's organic lentil soup, and it was just fairly okay. It wasn't, I'm not going to be buying this again. It's not something that I truly enjoyed. It may have had vegan ingredients, where it says vegan ingredients, but it didn't have enough flavor to make it work. And it's not that I couldn't add anything to it. The idea was to be able to just add vegetables to an existing can of lentil soup, vegan lentil soup. It didn't work. So I'm going to be warming this up, and it's going to be my dinner tonight, and I'm probably going to embellish it with some other vegetables, but it's a lesson that needs to be taught. Not everything that you buy that's vegan is going to work for you. You might try it, you might think it's fine, and if that's the case, good for you. Thank you very much for watching, and we do appreciate your time.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.